Aloe vera, with its succulent leaves and healing properties, is not only a popular plant for skincare and medicinal purposes, but also a valuable asset for your garden. In this article, we will uncover 10 secrets of aloe vera for your garden and explore its versatile uses in gardening. From promoting plant growth to warding off pests, aloe vera offers an array of benefits that can elevate your gardening experience and contribute to a thriving garden ecosystem. Natural growth stimulant. Aloe vera possesses the remarkable ability to boost plant growth. The gel found within its leaves contains essential nutrients, vitamins, and hormones that promote root development and overall plant health. Incorporating aloe vera gel into your soil or using it as a foliar spray can stimulate root growth, resulting in stronger, more vibrant plants. Aloe vera also aids in water absorption, enhancing the plant's ability to retain moisture. Organic fertilizer. Aloe vera serves as an excellent organic fertilizer, enriching the soil with essential nutrients. You can create an aloe vera fertilizer by blending the gel with water and applying it to your plants. This natural fertilizer not only nourishes your plants, but also improves soil structure and promotes microbial activity, fostering a healthy and fertile garden environment. Pest repellent. Bid farewell to pesky insects with the help of aloe vera. The gel contains natural compounds that repel pests, including aphids, mealybugs, and spider mites. Creating a homemade pest repellent by combining aloe vera gel with water and a few drops of dish soap allows you to deter unwanted visitors while maintaining a chemical-free garden. Sunburn protection. Aloe vera can provide sunburn protection for your plants, just as it soothes sunburned skin. In areas with intense sunlight, applying a thin layer of aloe vera gel on the leaves acts as a natural sunscreen. This protective layer helps shield the plant from excessive UV radiation, preventing sunburn damage and promoting healthier growth. Soil conditioner. Aloe vera improves soil quality by enhancing its moisture retention capacity and structure. Incorporating aloe vera gel into your soil helps loosen compacted soil, allowing better water and nutrient absorption. Moreover, the gel's high water content prevents soil from drying out too quickly, ensuring a more balanced environment for your plants. Propagation aid. Aloe vera offers an effective means of propagating various plant species. The gel contains natural rooting hormones that stimulate root development in cuttings. By applying aloe vera gel to the base of cuttings before planting, you can enhance their chances of successful propagation. Additionally, aloe vera gel acts as a protective barrier, preventing infections and encouraging faster root formation. Moisture retention. The gel of aloe vera leaves acts as an excellent moisture-retaining agent. By incorporating aloe vera gel into your potting mix or adding it to the soil around your plants, you can improve water retention, reducing the frequency of watering and preventing soil from becoming too dry or waterlogged. Disease and fungus control. Aloe vera possesses natural antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help protect your garden from diseases and fungal infections. Applying aloe vera gel to affected plants can inhibit the growth of pathogens and reduce the spread of diseases, keeping your garden healthy and disease-free. Organic weed control. Weeds can be a persistent problem in any garden. Aloe vera offers a natural and organic solution for weed control. Applying a layer of aloe vera gel around desirable plants forms a barrier that deters weed growth and prevents weeds from competing with your plants for resources. Enhanced flowering and fruit production. Aloe vera has been known to promote flowering and fruit production in certain plant species. The application of aloe vera gel to flowering plants or fruit-bearing trees can stimulate these processes, resulting in an abundant harvest and vibrant blooms. Conclusion. The secrets of aloe vera for your garden are truly remarkable. From its role as a natural growth stimulant and organic fertilizer to its effectiveness in repelling pests, protecting against sunburn, and improving soil quality, aloe vera offers a range of benefits for garden enthusiasts. By harnessing the power of this versatile plant, you can nurture healthier plants, maintain a thriving garden ecosystem, and create a beautiful and bountiful garden. Embrace the secrets of aloe vera and witness the transformation of your garden into a flourishing oasis of green.